Hey everybody, it's Dave here, a Holiday for Two, and I'm doing an update right now. I want to update you on a situation with our tires. Now remember, about a week ago I put out a video about our little tire problem we had between Wickenburg and Morristown. And I just want to do a shout out first and to Discount Tire. Discount Tire took care of all my tires. They rotated them. They put the new valve stem on the one that was flat. Fixed everything, put them all back on, and no charge. Wow, I was impressed. I was expecting at least to be charged for the valve stem on the replacement for the rim that got put on. They put all the tires and rotated them and put my spare back in the well for me. So hey, shout out to Discount Tire. And I've always had good luck with them. I don't know if you've ever had bad luck with them, but I've always had good luck with Discount Tire. And I also just got, I had to order a replacement this is called a simulator. So those of you that have these motorhomes, dualies and things like that, you probably are familiar with these. This is called a simulator or a hubcap. It looks like it's a real rim, but it's actually a simulator. So a couple of things you need to do to go. I suggest if you have these on your motorhome or RVs, check them every time you get on the road or before you get on the road. Check them and make sure they're all on tight. And the way I do that, it's called a steel man. This is just a hubcap remover tool. And they run about 23, 24 bucks on Amazon. This brand is Steel Man. And I really like these because it's got the little rubber mallet on there so you can tap on your hubcap. And so I'm going to put it back on right now and we'll be ready to go on the road. And hopefully, every time we get ready, I'm going to make sure I go around and check them all before we get ready to go anywhere, because they do come loose sometimes, your hubcaps do. And all you got to do is just take this little tool and go around to your hubcaps. Just kind of give them a couple taps and make sure they're on there real solid. And since it was kind of brand new, it was hard to get on. I had to really whomp on it, but I got it in there. You always want to go around the edge of those and just make sure they're on there. Every time I get ready to go on a trip, I'm going to go around with my little rubber mallet and tap on it. Make sure they stay on. If you want to get one of these, if you're missing one just like I was, you can find single hubcap or simulator replacements on Amazon. This one ran about $100 with free shipping because I have Amazon Prime. So I'll put the link in the video for you so you can, if you need one of these, you can find them on Amazon. You kind of have to hunt for them because otherwise the ones that pop up first are trying to sell you all four, both sides and the front as well. And they're a little different. The whole set run about $300 to $350 for the whole set. So you want to make sure you don't lose these. So go around and check them and make sure they're on tight. Hey, we're back on the road again, and also another little tip of advice, make sure you've got towing insurance, either at AAA or in our case, we had Allstate towing. So have a great day, everybody. Be safe out there. Drive carefully wherever you're going, because the roads right now in Arizona, I don't know about anywhere else, but the roads in some Arizona roads are pretty bad right now because of all the rain that we've had this winter. Safe travels. Catch you later. Bye.